everyone, in this video let's talk about the SQL join. So SQL join is a way to combine the rows from two or more tables based on the related column between them. So let's explore how these joins are going to work with the practical implementation. So basically here we have two tables, one is an employee and another one is a department. So in employee table, we have employee ID, employee name, salary and department ID column. And in another table department, we have a department ID and department name. And here you can check, we have a department ID and this department ID. Both are the matching column between both the tables. So let's perform the left join first. So when you are performing the left join, it is going to throw us only those records, all the record from left table and only the matching record from right table. So select star from our table one will be our department, or we can take employee. Select star from employee, left join with another table department. Okay, based on the matching column, we have to mention from which column. So on from employee table, department ID is equals to from department table, department ID. So let's check the output and you can check I'm getting all the record from left table D1 to D7, and in another table in a department table we don't have a record for D7, and for that I'm getting null. The same way we have a right join. Select star employee, right join with another table department on from employee table department ID equals to from department table department ID. So now I'm getting all the record from right table and only the matching from left table. And for D5 we don't have any record in a left table, so I'm getting null. The same way we have an inner join. It is going to return only the matching record from both the tables. Select star from employee, inner join with another table department, again based on which matching column, on employee dot department ID equals to department dot department ID. And you can check D1 to D4. I'm getting only those records which have a matching values between both the column D1, D2, D3, D4. The same way we have a full outer join. So it is going to combine both the tables. Select star from sales, from employee. So for full outer join, we have to perform a left join union right join. All the record from left table, also the matching record from right table, all the record from right table and also the matching record from left table. So basically we are getting all the record from both the table. So left join with another table department on employee dot department ID equals to department dot department ID. Union. So the same query, we have to just replace it with the right join query. So instead of left join, we have to replace it with a right join. So left join union right join, full outer query. And as you can see the result, I'm getting all the records from both the table. For D7, we don't have any other record for the another table. So I'm getting null. For the D5, I don't have any record in another table. I'm getting null. So this is about the SQL joins. So this is how we can perform, or we can combine the two table based on the matching condition, based on the matching column. Thank you.